Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Hard Floor Sweeper is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a pristine home, especially if you have pets or children, as it efficiently tackles dust, debris, and pet hair without the hassle of cords or the need for a vacuum cleaner. Imagine effortlessly gliding across your hardwood, tile, or laminate floors, collecting crumbs and dirt in seconds, making your cleaning routine quicker and more enjoyable. This device is designed to simplify your life, offering a convenient and effective solution for everyday messes that traditional cleaning methods might miss or make more cumbersome. Number 5. Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 Floor Mop Starter Kit. Meet the ultimate solution for a spotless home. This innovative tool tackles both dry sweeping and wet mopping with ease. Effortlessly capture dust, dirt, and pet hair with its dry sweeping capabilities. It's perfect for quick cleanups on any surface. Transform your floors with its wet mopping function. It leaves your surfaces sparkling clean and fresh. This comprehensive starter set includes everything you need to get started. You'll receive 1 mop and 19 refills. Designed for all your floor types, it's the only cleaner you'll need. Enjoy a pristine home with minimal effort. With 20 pieces in total, you'll have plenty of refills to keep your home looking its best. Experience the Swiffer difference today. What we like? This is a versatile tool for everyday cleaning. If you are looking for a convenient way to handle both sweeping and mopping without switching tools, this is a great option. It's ideal for quick cleanups and maintaining a tidy home with minimal effort. What people say. This sweeper is lightweight and easy to maneuver around furniture. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over an hour on a single charge. It picks up dirt, dust, and pet hair effectively from both hardwood and tile floors. Number 4. Eureka NES 100 Corded Stick Vacuum. Tired of heavy vacuums? This lightweight model makes cleaning a breeze, perfect for quick everyday tasks. Its powerful suction ensures a thorough clean every time. Forget about charging. This corded vacuum provides continuous, stable power, so it's always ready when you need it. Tackle any mess with confidence. This versatile cleaner adapts to your needs. Use it as a handheld vacuum or easily convert it to a stick vacuum for floors. It's perfect for stairs, cars, and tight spaces. Keep your space tidy with its smart design. It stands upright on its own and features convenient cord storage, making organization simple. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance. This bagless vacuum is easy to care for. Just clean the dust cup and wash the filter regularly. Spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your clean home. What we like? This offers continuous power without worrying about battery life. If you need a lightweight vacuum for quick cleanups and tackling various surfaces, including stairs and cars, this is the one. Its versatility makes it perfect for small to medium-sized homes. What people say. It's snapped together in seconds, the suction is great, it's not overly loud, the cord coils back up nicely when done, and it can be easily converted between a handheld and a standing vacuum. It has powerful suction for a small machine and a nice long cord. I bought it for litter scatter, which it picks up great, a mix of pine, walnut, and corn, from the litter mat and hardwood floor. It also swivels really nicely. It is very lightweight and does a decent job picking up dirt. Number 3. Bissell Natural Sweep Sweeper 92N0A. Tired of daily messes? This lightweight sweeper is perfect for quick, quiet cleanups of crumbs, pet hair, and dirt. It makes tidying up a breeze. From carpets and rugs to hard floors, it cleans them all safely and effectively. No need to switch tools for different surfaces. Its innovative dual rotating brush rolls capture both large and small debris with ease. You'll be impressed by how much it picks up on every pass. Designed with the planet in mind, it's PVC-free and made with recycled plastic. Plus, it requires no electricity, saving you energy and reducing waste. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to use and store. Cleaning and tidying up has never been more convenient. Every purchase helps save pets through our support of the Bissell Pet Foundation. Keep your home clean while making a difference. What we like? This is a fantastic option for quick, quiet cleanups without any cords or electricity. If you have pets and need to tackle messes like crumbs and pet hair frequently, this is ideal. Its eco-friendly design also appeals to those looking to reduce waste. What people say. Collects hair and everything on all three surfaces. Easy to flip the two collection doors on the bottom over the kitchen garbage for emptying. It does pretty well up against corners against the cabinets and walls. Number 2. Bissell 28806 Perfect Sweep Turbo. Meet the Bissell 28806 Perfect Sweep Turbo, your new cleaning companion. It's designed to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. This device offers powerful suction to tackle dirt and debris with ease. Its efficient design ensures a thorough clean every time. With a large 480 milliliters dirt cup capacity, you can clean more without frequent emptying. This means less interruption to your cleaning tasks. Its sleek gray finish adds a touch of modern style to your home. It's not just functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. Designed for convenience, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver around your home. Cleaning tight corners and under furniture is no longer a chore. Experience the perfect sweep with this turbocharged cleaner. It's built to deliver exceptional performance for a spotless home. What we like. This is designed for efficient cleaning with continuous power. If you need a straightforward, effective sweeper for everyday messes on various floor types, this is a solid choice. It's great for those who prefer a no-fuss approach to floor maintenance. What people say. The sweeper is lightweight and easy to maneuver around furniture. It picks up dirt and debris effectively on both tile and hardwood floors. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over an hour on a single charge. Number 1. Eureka PowerSpeed Lightweight Upright Vacuum. Introducing the Eureka PowerSpeed, a lightweight yet powerful upright vacuum designed for all your cleaning needs. It effortlessly tackles dirt and debris on any surface. Experience an upgraded cyclone system that handles everything from large debris to microscopic dust. It ensures a thorough clean every time. This vacuum penetrates deep into carpets to extract embedded dirt and dust. You'll achieve a level of clean you can see and feel. With 5 adjustable height settings, it's perfect for carpets, shag rugs, and hard floors. Its smooth rolling wheels protect your hardwood surfaces. Included accessories make above-floor cleaning a breeze. Reach tight spaces, clean upholstery, and even freshen up your car with ease. Breathe easier knowing it traps 99.9% of dust, dander, and allergens. It's designed for a healthier home environment. What we like. This provides strong performance across different floor types. If you need a versatile vacuum that can handle carpets and hard floors with ease, and you appreciate features like multiple height settings and onboard accessories, this is an excellent choice for a thorough clean. What people say. It works well on both carpet and hard floors, is easy to use, and simple to clean. Lightweight design with solid suction makes it a great value for the price. The suction. Yes, it has suction power. Finally, my carpet is fluffed up again, just like it used to be. The design at the front end. The weight is finally at the front part of the vacuum, versus in the handle. This is important for a couple of reasons. For one, it is much easier to vacuum with, has weight without feeling like it has weight. The edges are nice and square. I don't know why vacuums started having rounded corners, but these square edges mean when I'm doing the stairs, all parts of the step are cleaned. Doesn't scatter like before. I'm able to suck up the stray litter rocks in the hall without having to chase them down. This thing is light and easy to maneuver, gets under the toe space and under the edges of furniture easily. It cleans right to the edge. Unlike any vacuum I ever had before, this is not noisy. Not loud or obnoxious at all. The ease of dumping the dustbin is a big thing for me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.